Hi everyone, I apologize. I went just a little bit over my 15-minute allotted time on this platform, so I had to just make a quick little addendum to the main weekly introduction. I think we were done going through the rubric, and if you guys have any questions or need some clarification on anything, please feel free to reach out to Julie or myself, and we'll be happy to help answer any of those questions. I wanted to just conclude my introduction this week with a devotion by Carly Wiggins, and it's entitled God is My Midwife. So I thought that was appropriate for our class. So I'll read this to you. God is my midwife. The Bible depicts God as a fatherly figure, steeped in compassion and power, and one who disciplines those he loves. Our Creator is part of everything in the universe. Soon-to-be fathers have expectancy and determination to be the best they can be when they meet their bundle of joy. But nothing compares to a mother's love. She understands the pain of going through the 9 months of pregnancy, morning sickness, sensitivity to smells, and following a more holistic diet. As mother is with her baby every step of the way, she has to be. God does the same. Since God created both male and female, I believe he empathizes with both. As the writer of Hebrews implies, he is everyone's midwife. God is love, so he is here to help us through every pain we go through. We are about to experience some blessings that God has promised to deliver to us. We're preparing to give birth to our hopes and dreams. God wants to help us through the struggles we experience when we feel like giving up. Many women, while giving birth, say, "I can't do this." And many of you might feel that way this week or with your videos. But a loved one or a midwife coaches them to continue pushing. God does the same. We aren't alone. God holds our hand through every sharp pain. Experience God taking you through the tough seasons and modules so you can feel the blessings of the Lord on the other side. Take care and have a wonderful week.